Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I have a super example lined up for you today that really shows how volume precedes price action, and that is of course the foundation of what our tools and indicators are built upon. Take a quick second, look over this disclaimer before we jump in, and we'll get rolling. So here we go. This is the dollar index. Do you see that blue arrow on the bottom of your screen pointing to that extremely large red volume bar? What does that mean? That right there, that indication tells you before the trend changed that the sellers were in control. So when the sellers come in control, all we have to do is wait for the indicators to line up. It adds the probability of success to our trade. You can see when this trade triggered off, when our trend dot came in, volume, heat map, everything lined up just as we wanted to. A very textbook V-swarm style entry at 92.325. This trade sold off nicely. Had a nice impulse, it corrected back to our entry point, and then it impulsed really strong away. Why did this happen? Because the sellers were in control. The selling volume stepped in at a point in time where that arrow was pointing prior to the trend changing and told us that when the trend changes, that guess what? The sellers were already in control, and this trade has a very high probability of going in the direction the indicators tell us it will. Volume precedes price action. Understand that, build a strategy around it, a trade plan, and guess what? You could take trades like this all the time. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you will be criticized anyway. It doesn't matter what you do in life. There will always be a critic. You could cure cancer, and somebody would think terribly of you for whatever the reason would be. And I hate to think that way, and I'm not a negative person by any means, but trust me, somebody will not like you for whatever it is you've done, regardless of how positive it is for society. So, at the end of the day, we all have to live with ourselves. We all have to look in the mirror. We all have to own who we are and who we want to be. So I encourage you, when it's time to take the next step in your life, whether it's your physical fitness, your job, your career, your business, trading, investing, whatever it may be, I encourage you to make the choice that comes from your heart and not what somebody else is telling you. Listen, if you are around a group of people that bring you down, you need to find a new group of people. I know that sounds terrible to say, but you need to be with people that build you up. I went out yesterday and played golf with a friend of mine. He and I have very similar views on a lot of things in life. And you know what? After our round of golf, we didn't have one disagreement about any topic we talked about. And we talked for 4 hours about all kinds of different things. Those are the people you want to align yourself with. You want to align yourself with people that have a similar vision of yours. He doesn't have to agree with everything I do, and I don't have to agree with everything he does, but our visions in the macro view align. So find those people, and I promise you the criticism will dissipate. So guys, if you're ready to learn more about how you could have taken that trade just like I showed you on the dollar index, there's a link directly below this video. Just click on it. It will take you to the Project V-Swarm webinar where you will be featured by yours truly here. I will show you example after example of just how you could have duplicated that particular trade. If you'd like to learn more about us, visit us at HawkeyeTraders.com. Always feel free to email us or give us a call. And guys, I'm going to let the cat out of the bag a little bit here. We have a brand new product coming to market in the very near term. So we're going to be helping you identify opportunities beyond your ability after we teach you to do it for yourself. So that is something else in the pipeline. I mean, we're here at this company. We are all about innovation. We are all about growth. We are all about building in a direction in which helps you be more successful. So click that link, get signed up. We'd love to welcome you to the family. I will see you next Wednesday at a live training class. As long as you're a member, you're welcome to join me every Wednesday. You get me for 1 full hour each week, and I will answer all your questions and teach you how to use the indicators and teach you how to read the market and all that fun stuff. And listen, we can have a lot of fun together and make some money at the same time. So I look forward to working with you. I wish you a blessed weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.